What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Man, I haven't posted in like a month now, so I'm terribly sorry about that. I've just been super busy between work and working on my aviation stuff, and then I got stinking sick for like a week and I'm still getting over a little bit of that, but I did want to make some kind of video even though I don't have anything really going on today. This morning I went and did some work for a sports media company here in the area that covers a bunch of different high schools and stuff, and so one of the schools that we went and covered today was Rossview High School, their football team. So, and then of course my main job as a insurance adjuster, had to run a claim this morning, but other than that I don't really have anything going on apart from church tonight. So I figured now would be a good time to go ahead and knock out some of the different requests that y'all sent me on Instagram. I did take note of those and I kept them, so I'm gonna go ahead and start going through those on days where I don't really have anything else to do, and you know, I don't always want to just be sitting down doing a video. So the first one, we'll do two of those today. The first one is going to be about my dog, Itty Bitty 2020, I believe it is. Forgive me if I got that Instagram name wrong. Requested this one, so let me go find the dog. Baron, come here, boy. All right, here it comes. Not sure if we can turn this. Nope, guess I can't turn around. Come here, boy. Come here, boy. Here's Baron. Yeah, he's not so tiny anymore. He's a good boy. Come here. Hey. We got him. He's a full-blooded German Shepherd. German Shepherd lines. Come on. German lines. You know, I think his dad is from Germany. I believe it is. Either his dad or his, oh goodness, either his dad or his grandpa. One of those two. But we actually went to Maryland to get him. Yeah, it was a bit of a drive. I think it was like 10 hours one direction, but it was well worth it. He is very big. He's not even, let's see, I think he's, I want to say he's maybe eight months, maybe. I think he's like 8 months. So as you can see, he's a pretty big dog. He's not wanting to stay focused because our other dog is over there by the chickens. So, but yeah, his full name is Baron Stark von Diamond. The von Diamond is the German lines. They requested that we keep that in his name, so I was like, yes ma'am. But he's definitely big and he likes to play a lot. I think he's got like a deer bone right now or something, but yeah, I'll put up some different pictures of him right now. He was quite the photogenic puppy, but now not so much. It's kind of hard to get him to sit in one place now, but that's okay. And then he's always pestering this other one. That's the other dog that we got. She's full-blooded German Shepherd as well. She's not like German lines though. She's the American German Shepherd. Whereas he's the, you know, of course the German lines. So he's basically already as big as her, and he's not even anywhere near her age. She's like 2 or 3, something like that. But they love playing the pond. for some reason I can't turn this camera around, so I gotta like turn the screen away from me. So I'm gonna try to turn around and get some different footage of them, but I'm sorry if it like turns out totally not very good. Let's see here. Oh, psych. Hey, get. He loves like getting toys and then like keeping it from her. Like he likes it when you like try really hard to get it from him. But see, he'll like yank away. But then if you stop, he'll come back to you with it. Literally all I want you to do is try to keep taking it. He's a brat. Give me. Give me that. Give me that. Release. 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 Oh, crap. Let it go. Release. Release. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Release. Release. Come on. Hey, release. Come on. Release. Release. Good boy. Good boy. Release. 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 Release, jerk. Alright, fine. I'll get a different one. Get out of the way. What, now you don't want it? What, I can't have a different stick? You gotta have all of them? Give me that. Punk. Super selfish. What do you want? Huh? Huh? You just want to fight. Let's see if I can find a different one. Get out of the way! Ow! There it is. Woo! Coda, 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 you want it? Coda, Coda, you want it? Get it. What, you want one? Hey, hey, hey. Get out of the way so I can get it. There it is. Right, right. Oh boy, good girl. Well, that's Baron. He keeps shoving it in front of me because he wants me to take it, but I don't want to get dirty before church.